axe head in here.
Visions of bananas and coconut trees, or maybe some papayas or a starfruit tree. Pick it up, let's go. I'm gonna plant a garden for me and you. Got to try to avoid those GMOs. No more Roundup in my Cheerios. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got all my pots here sitting in a row. Nature controlled, that's what we need. Rosemary, thyme, some basil or two. Sunflowers, poppies, perhaps some peas. The flowers are good for bees. We got to grow it. We're gonna grow it.
Man, if you don't grow food for yourself, grow for your kids or your grandkids. It's better than that garbage they're giving us at grocery stores. It just looks too perfect there. You know, if there's no bugs in your food, that means there's poison in there. 1 pot, 2 pot, 3 pot, 4, 5 pot, 6 pot, 7 pot, more? There's more than I can count.
Let's grow it. We're going to grow it.
Green beans, eggplants, okra and spinach. Mounds of potatoes and maybe some carrots. Tomatoes, corn and peppers if I please. It's an overload. Mango trees and sugar cane and how about a jujube? Got to avoid those GMOs and those nasty chemicals. You never know what you can grow unless you give it a try.
Who do you think you are? You don't have those rights to grow your own food. You gotta have a bloody license to do that. You can't grow your own food.
We're gonna grow it. Grow it. We're gonna grow it. So grab your shovels and pitchforks and knives. You gotta dig deeper, dig for your lives. Radishes and lettuce, kale and cucumbers. But a chives might be good. Just dig. Hold it under, they're good. Gotta dig deeper. Well, that was a nice little stop. Fridge here. I bet you I know what the problem is too. Be gentle with it. Let's see if we can fix it. Start relay fix. Here, the bony-legged owner is watching me as I pick through his pile. Sometimes owners can be very picky about cleaning the metal right there on the street. So this piece I decided to just toss it in the truck. We'll clean it later.
How's it going, man?
The plywood here rotted pretty good, so I'm just going to rip this out. Not that strong. And last but not least, there's some kind of aluminum gadget here on this wood. I'm just going to toss the whole thing and knock it off at home. Toss it in like that. Make sure it doesn't fall out. There we go. On to the next one.
A little wet. Bit of metal on it. Much. Nothing. One piece there. Today's the day of the pots.
bad. That's awesome. Over here too. What is this? Ah, some homeless guys. Oh, here we go. Clean up the garbage here. Bad little stop. Some of that was aluminum. More pots. Guys, I was just out about an hour and found all this stuff. It's crazy. Bunch of aluminum. This little cooler, pots, stoves. Gotta clean some of this up and then we're gonna go back out again. I'm really surprised to see that really all this is sheet aluminum, heavy duty. I thought I was grabbing steel, but it's actually aluminum, sheet aluminum. So that's gonna be a nice price at the scrapyard. That was a good find. Found a cheap screwdriver inside the washer. They gutted this morning, but you know, since it's open like this, I might as well just take out all the harness. Definitely this big wire. Yeah, this type of cable, it's going to go in as shredders. It's got a copper line, it's got a copper core, but steel sheath inside the rubber there. It just goes as shredders. I'll stick it right here for now. Put that in the harness. These copper coated aluminum motors, they go as shredders too. Unfortunately, this ended up being plastic, so I was a little duped. This is a nice chunk. Not sure if that's copper. Definitely aluminum. No, that's steel. So this will go into shreds. The axe head, I've got several of these. I'll just throw them on eBay for a few bucks. Alright guys, let's get back on the road. Nice cord on that one. Got ourselves a grill. ladies. Let's go. Find some more metal treasure. What's that? Broken up pot. Huh. I think I'm gonna leave that. It's got a lot of metal on there, but somebody might want it. Not likely. There's a filing cabinet over there. Let me just scoop it up. Maybe some more metal here. Huh. Sure, if you got metal.
I don't know. I'm up on myself now, so
I see.
I'm telling you that, huh?
I see.
Like I worry.
No.
Oh, let's see. How about that little crate there where my tools are?
Sure.
I have my tools in my crate.
Yeah, no problem.
And I don't think I need that ring.
This thing.
Can you pull it out for me?
Yeah. There it is. Now,
What about
you need this?
gutter? No, you need it?
I'll take it. It's aluminum.
Gutter.
Yeah, I'll take it. No problem.
You know what? I'm getting ready to do some plumbing at the other house. I'll take that. What
Okay.
is that metal stick there?
Let me see. It's metal. It looks like it was
Bake it.
something like a part of your garage door or something.
Very good.
Alright.
We got to go around the other way. So put those up and then meet me at the other side of the house if you will.
Sure. What's that? Yeah.
I got 2 of those.
2 glass? Yeah, I don't do glass. Alright, just metal, that's it.
There's some metal on it.
Yeah, not enough though. Scrapyard will be like, no.
I don't know that I did it. I just
Yeah.
ready to move.
Yeah, where are you moving to?
Well, I have a house around the street, but I've rented it to 3 guys I don't want to live here.
Oh, okay.
So I may take it off in my van for the winter.
Oh, okay. Sounds like fun. As long as you don't go somewhere where it's super cold.
Oh, really? I have to stay south.
Yeah. Chicken wire, I don't know.
Alright, I don't think
There's probably.
I'll look at the other side. Oh, maybe you
It's a nice pool, big.
Oh, it is. I love it. Except I can't open my filter this morning. My friend helped me clean it out last time and he tightened it too tight.
Sure.
Maybe you give it one hit for me?
What is it?
This has to go that way.
Okay, let me try.
Thank you. There you go. That's all you need to do. I
That's
got
it?
in there. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, there's something metal.
You got this oregano stuff, that's good.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
our Cuban oregano.
Yeah, I like that stuff. It's a little bitter, but I'm sure there's a good way to.
There's the metal.
Alright, thanks.
Let me take the rack too.
Actually, that's it's
Careful
plastic.
my plants.
I'm sorry. Actually, this is plastic. I think it just go in the garbage. But this is metal.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not enough metal on there for the scrapyard. They just.
Alright, I think that's it.
Is there a way to get out this way or no?
Tell me if you're strong and gonna close it.
I'll go the other way. I'm strong, but I don't want to break anything. You're moving.
I'm getting ready to chop that up and put it in the garden.
Yeah, those are nice too. What are they called? I forget. It's a not longevity, but
I know Lily, I don't know.
actually you can. I think you can eat the leaves for something for
Probably.
medicinal value. I think.
I cut it for
Yeah.
chopping block.
And this is a huge.
I now have to beat
This
it
thing.
constantly.
This thing's massive, man. You got some nice plants.
Yeah, we can't pull these out.
What's that?
They're stuck in deeper than you see.
Oh, really?
I want them to-
Oh, no, those are in there all solid. Sorry.
Alright, I guess
Sorry.
that's all I have.
Okay, thank you, though.
Yeah, with you,
Yeah.
no glass, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't want to mess with glass. Yeah, well, good luck on your journey. Yeah, that's big van. Yeah, there's a couple of people on YouTube that I used to follow. They used to travel in their van, just live in their van.
I'm watching the old ladies Bob go in the van.
Yeah, that's good.
Join me a group.
You learn a lot. That's good. Old ladies in the van, living in a van. Okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. Day and age. Inflation. Thanks to inflation. Scrap bike there. Let's take it. I grab that bike.
Can you take those for me?
You bet, man. That's heavy duty steel there.
Fuck yeah, it's heavy.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Dude, those are heavy. Those are nice. Springs. What are they for? A trailer?
that truck out front.
Oh, the truck.
I lowered it and put a set of springs on it.
I'll come back for the other one.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it myself. That's got to be like 60 to 80 pounds right there. Yeah.
Thanks again, man.
Yeah, no, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Much appreciated.
I was thinking about putting them out there, but I was afraid they
Yeah.
might get picked up.
I come through this neighborhood all the time.
Oh, dude. Cool.
Thank you, brother. You too. Yes, if I can get him in there. All steel. And them springs are heavy. Bonus. Yeah, I can strip this down and sell the glass on eBay. Might be some brass on that. Those things are so cheap. They're moving.
Grab your metal. Thanks. It's got metal on it. That's it. It's in that box there. I can stay. All right, brother, thanks. Here we got a bit of extruded aluminum. About $5. Not bad. Hey, what's going on? Is this your stuff?
Yeah, it's a good kayak. You know, it's all good. Little trailer for it. There's metal too. There's some metal. Not like that wheelbarrow's metal.
I'll take the wheelbarrow and the metal. I got a kayak already.
Okay.
But is that a kayak carrier?
Yep.
That's what I need
Yeah.
for my kayak.
Tires are a little flat, but you can fix them.
That's awesome, man.
Buy them from Walmart, just that tire.
Appreciate it, man.
That's aluminum.
Yeah,
Got a strap.
I'm not scrapping that, man.
No, good. Yeah.
Thanks, man. I got one, but it's just junk, man. This one's nice.
Yeah.
Huh. It's got life in it still.
Some are narrower. It fits that kayak good, but some are narrow. But you can adjust.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'll figure it out. Thank you, man. I just live right across the street over there, Palm Boulevard. That's where
Yeah. My brother did live there and he sold his house. That's actually a kayak holder.
It looks like it, yeah.
I had it. It's made.
That's nice.
You lean it against the fence and it'll hold your kayak.
Stick it right on there, huh?
Yep. It's actually it works.
Huh. Thank you, sir. Still good. Beat up, but still good. Well, alright guys, this brings us to the end of our video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate each one of you guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you out there on the next one.